know the good book says, love the Lord your God with all your heart, all your soul, and all your mind. And the second's just like it. Love your neighbor as yourself. That's the greatest commandment. Love God, love people. 'Cause we're all just travelers on this narrow road, and sometimes we just need a little help along the way. Help along on the way. That's what we're here